Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another Dollar Tree haul for you. This is my Easter spring DIY haul from Dollar Tree. The first thing I want to show you is these eggs. They come in a little carton with some little twine around it, and they're all different color, Easter colored eggs. I got lots of these, and I'm going to be using them for different DIYs for Easter. The next thing I want to show you is these flower clips that I got. They have them in several different colors, but I just got these purple ones, and I'm going to be using them for a DIY. The next thing I want to show you are these eggs that are on little hooks. If you've been watching my channel for very long, you know that I like to decorate my little tree for each holiday. So I got these so that I could decorate my little tree with Easter eggs. And so like this one, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got different glitter colored ones. And then this one is a little glitter, and then it's got a stripe around it. So I got several packages of each of these. And then I got 2 of these planters that say Fleurs and Jardin, I guess that's how you say it. And then this one says Flowers and Garden. So they're the same size, but one is in a different language. I'm not sure what language that is. And then I got some nautical rope that I'm going to be decorating, doing some DIYs with. And then I got several of each of these. I got this decorative shred, I got brown, and then I got some purple, green, and yellow decorative shred. I'm going to be mixing them to make like little nests for some Easter DIYs. And the next thing I got is this cute little sign. It says, let me move the tag. It says, "All bunnies welcome." I'll hold it out so you can see it. And I'm going to be using this for a DIY. And then I got another one. This says, "Happy Easter." And then it's got different eggs on it. And I'm going to be using that one for a different DIY. And then I got a bunch of flowers. So I'll just kind of show you the flowers I got. I got these, and I got these, and this one has like a little butterfly in it. And then this is purple and white. And then this is kind of like a purple crystally onion grass. And then I got several of these, which is just like a little purple cattails. And then I got another one of these with onion grass with butterflies in it. And then some more pink flowers, and some more pink and purple flowers, and some more butterflies with onion grass. And then I got this little basket, and I'm going to be using that in a DIY. And then I got this little sign that says, it says "Happy Easter," and I'll be using that for a DIY. And then I got some more napkins, because I like to use festive napkins. And then I got these. I got 2 purple and 2 blue. And we're going to be using these as placemats during the Easter season for our table, to make our table festive. And then I got 2 of these, and I'm going to be doing a DIY out of these. These are really cute. So stay tuned for that. And then I got some foam, floral foam. It's got several different ones in here for all those flowers that I'm going to be rearranging. And then I got a bunch of ribbon. I got some blue and pink sheer ribbon, wired ribbon. And then I got several of these bunny tails. And then I got a couple rolls of this burlap with the lace in it. And then I got several rows of just lace. And then I got some pink and blue sparkly ribbon. And then I got some glitter tulle, some pink and blue glitter tulle. And I'll be using all of those for a DIY. And then the last thing I got is just for our school. We're going to be studying B is for Butterfly coming up soon. So I got 2 of these for my daughters to decorate, and I'm going to put their little picture in it when we're done. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.